Welcome home to the Riviera at Suite 1203 at 1185 Quayside Drive. This spacious one-bedroom suite is nearly 800 square feet and is located on the quiet south side of the building where you can enjoy stunning views of the Fraser River. This lovely home features a highly functional floor plan with beautiful bamboo flooring throughout, an updated gas fireplace with a stone feature wall, a chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and a large island. There's also a massive southwest-facing balcony, perfect for entertaining family and friends. The bedroom is very spacious and features an ensuite bathroom that's home to a luxurious jacuzzi tub. The suite comes complete with a den or office space, in-suite laundry, secured parking, ample visitor parking, and a storage locker. The Riviera is a well-maintained 3-tower strata with first-class amenities, including an indoor pool, 2 hot tubs, 2 gyms, a pool table, ping pong table, library, party room, and much more. It's in a fabulous location, only steps to the boardwalk and the bus stop, and a quick walk to the SkyTrain station, River Market, local pubs, and restaurants.